I've just taught you guys the skills to run a promotion company. And I'll tell you right now, I promise you guys, if you do this in New York or Vegas or whatever city, you'll probably be better than the guys who've been doing this for years, right? Because most of the guys who've been doing this for years have no sort of training. They just kind of do it. Like clubs are like, hey, whatever, we need you. Like they need hiring staff is a very difficult thing, and like having people to bring people to the door is like the blood of the business. So like I'm talking the country. How many girls do you think we had this party with us? Can everyone like guesstimate how many girls we had party with us? Let's say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Like how many girls were out with us partying with us?
Over 500.
Over 500? I don't know. Like I really can't count. I feel like we're over. See, Rich is saying over 1,000. I don't know about that. Like we might have been out with like 1,000 girls in the venues, but like I don't know if we like had 1,000 girls at our tables and shit. I mean we could say like Saturday over 100 girls, Friday over 100 girls, Thursday probably like 20, 30, 40 girls. I don't fucking know. What did we do Sunday again? Fuck.
Sunday was pretty dead.
It was dead.
Yeah, we went to a bar. We did
Monday, I don't know, probably like 20, 30 girls, whatever. Like total. I don't fucking know. So like I would even like low ball estimate like 300. Could have been anywhere from 300 to 500. I don't fucking know. We had hundreds of girls. Can anyone here say that they met more girls this week than they have in the last year? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you met more girls this week than you have in the last year. So that's literally everybody. Everybody can say they met more girls this week than they have in the last year. Can anyone here say they met more girls this week than they have in their life? Raise your hand. So Raj and Rich can say they met more girls this week than you have in the rest of your fucking life. That is crazy. That's pretty nuts. And that's like pretty normal for a lot of guys, right?
And the Tinder game mixed with this, it's like another level. I was on Tinder today.
You guys understand why I can't sleep? You guys understand why I have insomnia? Like I'm like the king of the world, bro.
It's too much sauce.
Dude, it's crazy.
Dude, I could go anywhere on the planet to recreate this as well. Like I spent years looking for like a better place where I can do this. I realized I just do it anywhere in the world. I just do it in my home city. I'm from. So now you guys fly after me. Come learn what I can teach you. You go to your home city where your friends and your family are from, and you build this life for yourself, for the people you care about, right? Now, when I'm in your city, be at your penthouse, your 200 bitches a weekend, you know, popping bottles in the club, in VIP, and having goddamn rockstar lifestyle. Because you guys collectively, like we, 25 women this week. It's fucking crazy. We're not even done. So we're at 85% the way through, 90% the way through. We're not quite finished.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partying with hot girls, doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmarc.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmarc.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Marc, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.